So, in a shocking revelation, the FBI disclosed that the New Orleans truck attacker, responsible for the tragic loss of 14 lives, had meticulously scouted the French Quarter using his Meta smart glasses. These high-tech glasses, linked to the parent company Facebook, were used to record video footage of the area. Despite the gravity of this discovery, a spokesperson chose to remain silent on the matter. The origin of these devices and their production process raise pertinent questions, underlining the importance of understanding the implications of emerging technologies. Stay tuned for crucial updates on this developing story. For more, like and subscribe.